Hi everybody, Cynthia here. I'm sorry I've been a little bit behind on my videos, but sometimes life gets in the way and you just got to deal with it and go with the flow. And anyway, I'm back and I want to share with you guys an HSN haul that I just received in the mail. It's nothing really extravagant, but I shopped HSN's website. I shopped the clearance section in the crafts, and I got some pretty good deals. So they had these We Are Memory Keeper corner chompers, and they sold them in a set. You got two of them. So this one does the 1/2 inch corner rounder and the 1/4 inch, which I was super excited about. And then this one does a scallop and a stub. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to grab these because here's the scallop. You could see it kind of just does that loop, and then the stub. And then these are the corners, what they look like. And anyway, I love We Are Memory Keepers, but I can't always afford to buy their products unless they're on sale or I have a coupon, and these were on clearance, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna pick them up because these actually you can punch through chipboard with, and the little corner chompers that I have you cannot do that with. I was also super excited that the Crafter's Companion acetate 8.5 by 11 20 sheets of acetate was on sale for like $10.99. So I got 2 packs because I thought, I know I have a lot of shaker projects coming up in the future, especially for Christmas in July. So I thought I am definitely going to grab those. And then I also thought, Christmas in July, they had Anna Griffin Christmas Fancy flocked cardstock. And you get 36 sheets of 6 by 8. And it comes in this nice container, which I thought was really cute. But I thought this flocked paper would be really cool, not just for Christmas cards, but for tags. Some of my Christmas tags. So I definitely wanted to pick this up, and I'll show you the different patterns they sent. So you get 2 in the red. Oh no, I lie. You get 3 of the flocked paper in red, and then of the ornaments, and then 3 in green. 3 of the candy cane and the candies in red, and 3 in green. And then I got the holly berries in red. I think they gave me 3 of those, and the holly berries in green. And I hope my camera is picking up how gorgeous this stuff is, because it is so pretty. And then I got the Christmas wreaths, red and green. And let's see, what's this one? Oh, Christmas trees in silver. And then the Christmas trees in gold. The silver snowflakes. And then they gave like a light blue in the snowflakes. So I cannot wait. This paper is so beautiful. And I can't wait to make some projects with that. And then they also, I got some gifts for some friends and people. This is the Gemini by Crafter's Companion. And this whole 16-piece set can make this cute, adorable snowman gift card holder. So let's see. It comes with all of these dies, and then it comes with some stamps too. So I just thought that was super cute, little snowman gift card holder. And I got that on clearance. And then these are the same. These are exactly the same. You got a set of 4 of these adorable penguin stamps. So I'm just showing you the card. And then that's the stamp set there. So cute. These little guys are so cute. So I got a set for a friend and a set for myself. And I already opened, wait, which one did I open? Because I wanted to share them with you so you could see the actual, this is my friend's set. This must be mine. Here it is. I wanted you to see the actual stamp set. And get some white cardstock here. That's a cute size penguin, right? I love him. And it says, dance in the snow like no one is watching. Shouldn't we all do that? Oh my gosh. Everything going on in the world, we all need to dance and have a little more fun. And that's for sure. So I thought these would make cute cards and cute tags. I'm super excited to try those out. And then last but not least, I got this gorgeous paper. This is also by Crafter's Companion. It's Nature's Garden Beautiful Collection. And it's 12 by 12 paper. And you get 48 double-sided printed sheets. And for those of you that have been watching me, you know I got some bee dies and bee stamps. So I thought this paper would make such a beautiful paper to work with for a project. So I will page through for you guys so you can see. I love that side, the yellow gingham. And then it has this gorgeous floral. Let me see if you guys are in camera. Floral and bees, and then the blue gingham, and oh, I love that honey pot, and a wood grain. Oh, this is so pretty. And then this has like splotches, but it also has the honeycomb print in here, so you got 3 of those. Oh, excuse me, 1 second. Why is it my cat always wants to jump on my desk when I'm filming, but any other time he's like not even in the room? Do you guys, anybody who owns a cat, do you guys have that issue too, or is it just me? Little honey pot here, so cute. More of that honeycomb there, and then honey pots and bees and honey drips, so pretty. And then this is brown honeycomb, the honey pot. I love this, love the wood grain. Oh, I can't wait to make, I think I'm going to make a folio with this because this paper is just so pretty. Oh, this is cute. Could do like, cut these up 6 by 6 and do some cards with these. This will be nice. And then the polka dots. Some more bee paper and honey pots. Polka dots and florals. This is so pretty. Love this. And this is this side. Hopefully I'm not going too fast and it's not blurry, so you guys can see it. I love that plaid too. Oh, some more 6 by 6. This is going to make a great card base. I love that. This is really pretty. The Crafter's Companion, I mean, I guess if you get a good deal, like I did on this paper, it's good. Like I got a lot of this stuff on clearance, and I do watch when they have their crafty, they do like an all-day craft thing, like for 24 hours or whatever, and you can get some good deals then. But if you shop HSN, don't forget to check out their clearance section because you can find some really good deals right now. And a lot of it was selling out fast. Like, I'm not even sure if they have these stamp sets in there anymore, but they're stinking adorable, and you get all 4 for one price. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you guys. That's my latest haul. I will be back to share with you a folio that I followed a tutorial by Rosa Kelly, and that one's an 8 by 10, and then I'll share with you guys I made an 8x8 recipe album. I thought once I did the 8x10, oh, I could do this. This is easy. Can I tell you guys, it was not. And I would make some of my measurements different the next time around, but I am going to share with you how it turned out. And then when I go to do the tutorial with you guys, I'm going to do things a little bit differently so that it all measures out perfect, and that'll be coming up in the future as well. So I will be back to share those folios with you. And I thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing and giving me a thumbs up if you like these videos, because that always helps my channel, and I appreciate you guys so much. Take care. Happy crafting.